everybody. Today is July 3rd. I was telling you guys I was working on my basement the other day and my friend came over. Charlotte wants me, but my friend came over and she's like, okay, what do you want to do? And I'm like, I want to start with a section. And you know, she helped me a lot, but she's like, I feel like nothing got done. And I'm like, no, actually a lot of stuff got done. I emptied like 5 or 6 boxes, totes, all that stuff. So this is what basically we kind of worked on. As you guys can see, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm still working on stuff. I'm still organizing things. She helped me organize, you know, some more Easter stuff. I got this is a little tote for all the kids when we have birthday parties and stuff, like little goodie bags. So I'm starting to get all that stuff all consolidated. Now, some of you guys mentioned these boxes need to be broken down. I think I have a big smudge on my camera because of my daughter. These boxes cannot be broken down, you guys. They are actually like the heavy duty boxes for like laundry detergent. If you guys can't even see it. Sorry you guys, Miss Charlotte just wants her mom. But as you guys can see, there's a picture of these big giant bottles right here. So that basically means that these are for heavy duty. I'm probably gonna get rid of some of them. Once I get the basement cleaned out, I'm actually gonna have a spot to put all these. But right now they're just sitting there, which is totally fine because they're all organized. And then I know any box that I empty, I know to put in that spot. The boxes I am breaking down, I'm putting them right here. So it's getting there. You know, it just takes a little bit and I can only do so much at once because as you guys see, I have a baby that wants to be with me 24/7. So that is what we worked on. I didn't work on any of this stuff yet, but I did move some stuff around, emptied some boxes. She just wants me so badly. But then she helped me like organize some of my craft stuff, and then we're still organizing some more stuff. So that is what's going on. I'm gonna go deal with my daughter and I'll catch you guys back some other time. So today is, I think, July 20th. I have been working on the basement little by little, but I wanted to kind of give you guys just a heads up on how I've been doing. This weekend I kind of worked on it. You know, my husband, I don't know what it is, but when he is with me, he doesn't have to help me. He just motivates me more to clean. So I'm just going to kind of have a walkthrough of what it looks like, and hopefully there's a better, bigger difference when I show you guys this video at the end of the month. So, a lot of you guys were saying about the boxes. These are all the boxes that we have that are completely empty. We're keeping them until we have our next garage sale, and then we're just letting people take them. And then they will be going away. They will not be staying here over winter. So just want to give you an idea. That's my baby. I just put the car thing up here. I've been putting some toys, still organizing some stuff. These are all some totes that have stuff in them. Some of them are pretty much empty or have a couple things in there, so I am still going through them. But these are the totes that I do want to keep. I wish they were clear, but for now they're completely fine. I'm still working on some stuff in this area. I just been kind of working on it, but I've been working on my craft area some more. I got my books on the shelf. I'm still putting kids' books on the shelf, and then I'm going to work on these 3 shelves sometime in the near future. Some of them do have stuff in them, but that's what I'm working on. I've been straightening up my craft area. I just came down here to do a video, so don't mind those. Those are going to be, I'm filming that right after I get done with this, but still working on it, just doing a little bit by little bit. These are, when we fill the totes, we're going to actually put them up. So these things are actually filled with stuff right now, and then these are empty, and then we're still putting, you know, stuff in here. It keeps it so much organized. I actually do want to make tags for these, but we'll do it once I get everything 100% down in this basement. This is going to be a Goodwill pile. There's another box under there. That's a Goodwill pile. These totes right here, the bottom clear tote right there, that's just going to be my any holiday. So I have 4th of July stuff. I have St. Patrick's Day stuff. So I'm going to put stuff in there. This is going to be my little goodie giveaway. So this is stuff that I'm just going to put in birthday presents or birthday goodie bags and all that jazz. This stuff is some of my craft stuff, which I am still putting craft stuff away. I'm just trying to keep it all organized. The closet, Graham wanted to put all the boxes in the closet, and I said no. This box right here is all of our personal stuff. I have to put it upstairs. This, we found a whole box of razors, so that's that. Some of that food, and then it's pretty much empty. Right behind this Keebler box, there's nothing behind there except just toilet paper and our Christmas tree. These are empty boxes that we got to break down and put in our recycling. But we've been trying to keep this area cleaned a little bit. The kids play down here. Miss Charlotte's playing down here. I put a lot of my candles right there, which they might go in another spot. I started putting my vinyl all right there, which I'm still organizing. But I mean, we're getting there. We're getting there. The kids have just been playing in this area, which is completely fine. You can finally see that we have a table and chairs. So it's getting there, you guys. I just have to work little bit by little bit, but it is getting there. I'm finally getting rid of stuff. I'm still not done. I can show you guys the storage room since the air is not running right now. But I've been cleaning back here too. We've been straightening stuff up. I've been putting all the clear totes, you know, all the stuff that's been organized, I've been putting them there. And I'm still going to grab some more stuff and get rid of stuff. So there's that. A lot of these boxes are pretty much like empty. I think this one's even, okay, it's got a couple things in there, but I'm still going through stuff. These I'm going to move, but I am putting totes in here. I'm getting things organized. I'm getting rid of stuff. I am so excited for that. So just can't do it overnight. I did get rid of some games and stuff. So I still have a lot of games, but I'm getting rid of it, and I'll probably get rid of some more. I just don't know what I can do with it right now, but it's getting there, you guys. It's getting there. So I'm hoping you can see somewhat of another difference before the end of the month. We got 11 more days, 10 or 11 more days left till the end of July, and I'm hoping we can get rid of more stuff. So I'll catch you guys back when I'm back. Welcome back. So today is like 2 days before the end of the month, but I'm just gonna film the video now just because I have time and I'm remembering. Last time I totally forgot about it, so it was like, okay, I gotta do it. But as you guys have been seeing, we have been doing a lot of work on the basement. I've been, you know, one of you guys kept saying I gotta clear the stairs. I have been. Sometimes I put stuff on the stairs when I want to bring it upstairs, and then I totally forgot. But that ginger ale I gotta probably dump because it's kind of old, so give me a second downstairs. But I've been actually working at it. As you guys can kind of see the process, I have been working on it. Not like super bad. I mean, there's just times where I want to get things done, but it's just really hard to get things done with kids. Most of you guys know. And just with everything going on, I just have like zero ambition to do stuff. And when I do get, you know, started, I want to keep going and going and going. But then, you know, Graham's like, oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. And it's just like, then I never get a chance to finish it. Because once I start a project, but I've been coming down here and putting things away. You might not notice it, but I'm still working on it. My next project that I'm going to be working on, as you guys see, you can see a bunch of these black totes. This is the next thing I'm going to work on. So the whole month of August, I'm going to work on that, still continue putting things away, but I've been slowly organizing my craft area, so it's getting there. And then now, since I'm going to start making some more stuff to sell on Etsy, you know, more of that stuff will go away. So pretty excited for that. But let me just kind of give you a quick tour. It was clean more a couple of days ago, but I was been down here doing videos, and then the kids were playing down here, and then we just went upstairs. But a couple things here and there that I just have to pick up and throw away. Nothing big. But yeah, so here's my video area. I have to do 2 videos, which I'm going to film right after this. But what I want to do eventually is kind of get like a little bookshelf. Graham says no, I should just go ahead and buy one anyways. But I want to kind of get a bookshelf. I might even do it today. And put it right here, just so I can have like spots for all my boxes and organization. Screw it. I gotta remind myself to buy something today. I'm just gonna do it because I want to have like a little organization where I can see everything. So this is one of you guys did mention you have this carpet and it gets very dirty. Well, I dealt with a lot of glitter. I made a lot of mess, so I gotta vacuum this out. I did get a little hand vac to do that, but my stockpile's been, you know, keeping organized. I think I already mentioned, but these ones are already filled, so as they get filled, we're gonna stack these higher up. I gotta find a spot for this. This is, I think I already mentioned this. This is like my little giveaway box. Those I don't know what, I think these are empty. I don't know what's in those, but kids have been playing with the toys. This stuff is gonna go away. So my goal for for August is this pile and that pile. All these boxes, I asked Graham if we could get rid of them the other day. He said no, he wants to keep them until our next garage sale, and then whatever we don't get rid of for the garage sale, we're just gonna see if anybody wants them. So because then people can just grab it and go, grab it and go. So that's that. The TV room has been kind of decent. Charlotte's been taking, I put all my candles right there, and I will probably put those in a different spot, but for now I just put them all right there so I could empty some totes. But she's been slowly taking the candles out, but I might be doing some giveaways on the candles because Graham's not a big fan of the candles when I burn them. And yeah, but then the kids have just been playing. It's just like a mess here, but this is an easy pickup. We got some pants, you know, there's some pants for my son that we've lost. But I've been picking up and throwing stuff away. Like right here, I see like 5 things I could throw away. So that's just how everything is going, but it's getting there, you guys. It's a whole lot better than, you know, what it used to be. You know, I am slacking a lot, but, you know, this is a 1-year project that I wanted to do. So, you know, it just takes time. So I will see you guys all next month for the month of August. Let's have a good month because it's my birthday month. See you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.